What up, crew? In the last live stream, we spoke about dollar cost averaging and DCA bots. This is the best risk-managed investment strategy that you can ever learn for entering into any new market or asset. The bots also make it super easy to make this strategy passive, so stay tuned until the end. This dollar cost averaging strategy is one of a three-pronged strategy created by Warren Buffett to enter into any new financial market and to continue to enter into that market and ride the trend. Of course, you want to be entering into markets which are bullish, which are trending upwards on the long term. And as we can see, Bitcoin is one of those markets. But there are extreme price movements known as market cycles within the larger upward sloping parabolic curve of this asset. The definition of dollar cost averaging is that you buy equal amounts at equal time periods. So the amount is for you to decide according to your risk appetite, according to how much you are able to invest in a certain period of time. The time periods are also for you to decide. The important thing is that you keep your amounts equal and your time periods equal. One of the major reasons we dollar cost average is to create what we call a smile curve in our PNL. Here you can see that if you started dollar cost averaging, even at the worst possible time you could have, at all-time high, this shows us that there is no bad time to start dollar cost averaging as long as you keep it consistent. Because even if you bought here and you bought every single candle all the way down, you would have also bought every single candle all the way up. And here we see a beautiful cup and handle, which is a tutorial for another day. But we also see that even your buys, your worst buys from the previous top of the bull market are currently 65% in profit. And your best buys at the bottom of the bear market are 560% in profit. This is an absolutely unbreakable strategy. All right, so I hope everyone is understanding that this is the smile curve. And I always say we want to be the ones smiling with the crooked teeth. Dollar cost averaging allows you to cut out the noise of the charts and make sure that you are consistently investing into this asset, which you are bullish on, in a very risk-managed way. All right, so for this strategy, the first thing that I want you to do is go to the Altcoin Season Index. Most of you know that this is an asset, a resource that I use very often to help me understand where we are inside the altcoin season cycle, where we are within altcoin dominance. Today, we are going to be using it, first of all, to identify the top 50 performers over the last 90 days, right? These are the strongest coins in our market. Remember, there are 11 million altcoins currently in the market. This means that to be in the top 50, you not have to only be doing something right. You have to be doing a lot right, because this is the most competitive financial sector. All right, so what we do is we literally take the altcoins that are strong, that are in the top 50, and do me a favor. If you are not aware, do your own research. Go to CoinMarketCap. Understand ETH, ADA, Uni, Tau, VeChain, Drip, Sol, ETC, XLM, KAS, BCH, Filecoin, Doge, SHIB, Atom, TON. So I'm giving you a shortcut here through this resource. But do not hop into investing into anything until you do your own research. This is rule of thumb. All right, so let's go right into it. At this point, you head over to the Bybit trading platform. Here you can see on my one account some of my DCA bots. These are not all of my oldest DCA bots, but here we can see absolutely awesome real P&L happening on, not that big amounts. Very nice. Here we can see the Aave Avalanche Link Near and SHIB bought in $462 profit. So, it's crazy. We are way more in profit than if we had have just bought these coins at buying the dip. All right, so what we do now, right, is we head to tools. we head to trading bot. And then we come here to this bot on the right, which is the most simple bot. And for me, it is the most powerful. I actually had a chat with Benzu, the founder of Bybit, about this, and he agreed with me that the DCA bot is the most powerful bot on Bybit because it is running on the DCA strategy, which is one of the most powerful strategies ever invented. All right, so you just come here to create, and ultimately, when you're doing this, you want to actually keep it. You can do 5 bots at a time, right? 5 coins within each bot. And what you want to do is to take the sectors, the different sectors, and group them together. And creating one of these bots is extremely simple. Sometimes I do get confusion from the crew, but I'm going to show you now just how simple it is. So of course, I would start off with BTC, but just be very aware that when you are dollar cost averaging, you want to see blood. You very likely will see P&L go down, so that in a very strong bull market, all of those buys that you are doing every day or every week will go into profit. And if you do want to invest in the top altcoins, which are currently in blood, which I would say is the best strategy right now. All right, so first you come to select cryptocurrencies. You select which asset you would like to use to fund your bots. Be aware that your bots will be funded from your funding account. You do not need to keep major amounts in there as long as you have enough to currently fund how much your bots are buying every day or every week. I like to use USDT, which is tethered. Then you come to adding your cryptocurrencies, and you come to the lowest on your altcoin season index. For now, TIA, OP, Pepe, APT, ARB. All right, so you select 5 cryptocurrencies. Then you decide your frequency. You can go as short as 10 minutes or 1 hour or 12 hours. I like to keep my frequency at 1 day and $1 into each altcoin. It also makes the strategy a little bit more simple when it comes to the maths. And here we can see that it's telling me that currently what is in my funding is allowing me 16 days at this current strategy. And where a lot of people go wrong is here. Do not enter a maximum into here, because if you enter a maximum into here, into the maximum investment, it will close your bot when it gets to that level. And it's as simple as that, right? We go create now. It will do our first buys on all of those coins, right? And here it will quickly show you we have now opened a bot on these coins, and this is the current price. Right, it'll take a few seconds. There we go. Now we can see that we are currently holding 0.25 TIA, 106,000 Pepe, 0.84 OP, 2 ARB, and 0.15 APT, which is $1 of each of those. And here is our current P&L, and here is our estimated actual APR, which is the annual percentage revenue. Of course, this is a brand new bot, so that won't really be accurate, but every day it will automatically buy those coins for you.
Thanks for watching, crew. Remember to show some love with a like and a share, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also, be sure to join my free trading academy on Telegram for all of my updates, and of course, always play for our position of power and strength.